$500 shower head. Remember that? We're back. Taking that off. I got a new one. I told her which one to get. She didn't get the right one, but it's all right. I can make it work. I just have to solder on a little piece. And then my boy Santa Monica Drain Co. commented to also check the PRV, which didn't really cross my mind that, you know, excessive pressure would have also caused this to seep whenever the tub spout was running. If you didn't see the previous video, basically the issue was they had an old one similar to this. It wasn't exactly like this. And when the tub was running, water was still coming out of here just a little bit. So I didn't even think that maybe the PRV's shot. And I took a look at the PRV and it does look kind of crusty. So I do this first and then we'll check the PRV. Fun way to test your joints. Just put your thumb over it. No leaks. No leakies. Let's do that. Looks like it's okay. I don't know, I can see a little. I'm gonna check the PRV. Stop the issue. When the issue was prevalent was when this was in the middle here. It's not doing it. So I'm gonna need to caulk around this. There you go. I got a little Lexel around the outside. Lexel actually dries kind of a light whitish color. It's hard to explain, but that's sealed. All right, that's it. Now we'll check the PRV. Okay, so we got this PRV right here. Here's the main shutoff right here. You have this sticking out of the ground, and the landscaping stuff is after the PRV, so I'm wondering if this is after the PRV. If that doesn't work, I'll show you what we'll do. I'll stick this guy on here like so. Channies. Yeah, okay. PRV's fine. PRV is fine. Another way to test it is to put a nipple in here in the relief. I don't like doing that though, because sometimes when you start messing with these, they just won't stop leaking. I do have one in the truck, but all right, let's try it one more time on this and see what we get. It's at 60. I'm actually gonna try it on this. Never mind, I'm not gonna try it on there because it's just that thing's old. It's gonna start leaking if I touch it. I know it will. All right, we got another hose bib in the back here. I'm gonna test this one.
Did it spray out?
No, not yet. I'm gonna test it first and make sure that
It's blinking.
what we're doing is the water's off, right?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna turn it on and we're gonna test to see what the pressure is.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Yeah, it's 60 still. So we want to see the numbers right here?
Yeah.
We want to keep it between 70 and 50. It's kind of the safe zone for this is water pressure.
I know. I got chocolate on my lips, kind of.
You got chocolate on your lips?
Yeah, I'm looking it off right now. Oh, I see.
Were you eating it on your... When were you eating chocolate?
On my plate earlier.
I saw you eating hot dogs, though. Chocolate and hot dogs?
And strawberries.
Oh.
This kind of looks like a dead baby turd.
Look, it's kind of going up, though. I wonder if that PRV is slowly
Oh,
going
so
up.
I know what's happening.
What?
So it's trying to go up when the water pressure is trying to go to 80, but it's staying at 60.
We're going to leave it here for a second and just see if it goes up crazy high. All right, we're staying. It's pretty much staying in the same spot. It went up a little bit, but
yeah, it's halfway. It's not halfway to. It's not. It's kind of halfway to being to 80.
so the middle one there would be 70. See the line in the middle would be 60, 70, 80.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is 0.